primed hardboard commercial doors arrive ready for paint, but that doesn't mean you should grab a roller and get started. A few simple preparation steps can make the difference between an average finish and one that looks clean, smooth, and professional. Today, I'll walk you through how to paint a primed hardboard commercial door the right way.
Before you start painting, let's clear up a common question. The primed hardboard door already has a factory-applied white primed finish. It provides a constant surface for you to be able to paint the door to the intended color of your project requirements. Preparation is key. Lightly sand the entire door with 220 to 320 grit sandpaper. You're not trying to remove the primer, just create a smooth surface that helps the paint bond properly. After sanding, vacuum away all the dust and wipe the door down with a tack cloth to remove any remaining particles before painting.
CDF recommends using a high-quality acrylic latex paint. It works well with a factory-applied latex primer and provides the durability interior commercial applications need. No matter which paint you choose, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for application and drying times.
There are two common ways to paint a primed hardboard door. Spray application is the preferred method because it produces a smooth, consistent finish, making it ideal for larger commercial projects. Roll-on application is also a great option for smaller projects when spray equipment just isn't available. With proper technique, it can still produce a clean, durable finish. Whichever method you choose, proper preparation is essential. Common mistakes include skipping the light sanding, painting over dust or debris, or not allowing enough time to dry between coats. Taking a little extra time during the prep helps ensure a professional look finish. Primed hardboard doors are commonly used in offices, schools, healthcare facilities, government buildings, multifamily housing, hospitality spaces, and retail environments. Because they're painted on site, they can be matched to the surrounding walls and trim and other architectural finishes, making them a versatile choice for a wide range of commercial applications.
If you're looking for a paint-grade commercial door that's ready for field finishing, primed hardboard doors offer a flexible solution for a wide range of interior applications. At CDF Distributors, our primed hardboard wood doors are available with particle core or mineral core construction, factory installed light kits or louvers, and complete door frame and hardware packages. If you'd like to learn more or build a quote online, visit CDF Distributors and explore the options available for your next commercial project.